So here's our sump pit and sump pump, and you can see that we've got an inlet line coming from the downspout, and we've got another inlet line down much deeper. This is coming from the catch basins in the driveway, and of course the sump pump lifts it up, it sends it out, and this is going all the way out to the street. So let's go ahead and check that float and make sure that it's working properly. You can see it's pumping it out. All looking good. So let's go ahead and re-secure this lid and we'll be done. So again, here's our discharge, and you can see that water has been pumped out. When we kicked on that float, came out really nice, and trench was backfilled. Remember that from these two catch basins, this catch basin and that catch basin, it's actually uphill to the street. So what we had to do was catch the water in this area and pipe it back to the sump pit, which is back here, and the pump sends that water back out to the street. And the reason that we put the pump here is because it's closer to the house and it's easier to put power and a GFI outlet right here by the house than it would be to put it out here in the center of the yard. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.